In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gold XAUUSD on Metatrader 5. We will cover both MT5 desktop and MT5 mobile so you can access gold wherever you trade. XAUUSD is the spot gold price quoted against the US dollar. And adding it to your platform makes it easy to monitor price action and open a chart in seconds. On MT5 desktop, start by opening the app. To bring up your instrument list, go to the top menu and select View. Then Market Watch, or press Ctrl+M on your keyboard. Market Watch is the panel that displays symbols you can track and trade. And it's the quickest way to organize your watch list. Inside the Market Watch window, right-click anywhere and choose Symbols. This opens the full catalog of instruments from your broker. Grouped in folders, in the search bar, type XAUUSD or enter gold. If you prefer browsing, look through folders like Metals or Forex Group until you find the listing your broker uses. Some brokers label gold slightly differently or add small suffixes. So pick the version that corresponds to your account's offering. When you've located the correct instrument, select it and click Show Symbol. That action adds XAUUSD to your Market Watch list, so it's always available. If you already see it in the list, the button may read Hide Symbol, which simply means it's already active. Close the Symbols window when you are done. To open a chart, find XAUUSD in Market Watch, right-click it, and choose Chart Window. A new chart will appear, ready for you to view price movement. Apply indicators and begin your analysis. Now let's do the same on MT5 Mobile. Open the MT5 app and go to the Quotes tab. This is your streamlined list of instruments you are tracking. At the top, tap the plus icon to search. In the search field, type XAUUSD, then identify the correct symbol in the results. Tap the green plus button beside it to add it to your quotes list. You'll see XAUUSD appear with your other instruments, making it easy to keep an eye on gold from your phone. A couple of quick tips as you work. Searching by code is usually faster than browsing folders. And spelling doesn't need to be in all caps. If you don't see XAUUSD right away, check the Metals category or any similar folder your broker uses. Keeping your list focused on the instruments you actually trade can speed up navigation and reduce clutter. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.